the coronavirus pandemic, Hamilton County leaders held a surprise briefing this morning about the rising case numbers in the region. Local 12's James Pilcher joins us from the Breaking News Center with the latest figures and warnings as we head into the holiday weekend.
Yeah, thanks, Marilla. As you said, this was a previously unscheduled briefing, but Commissioner Denise DeRiehaus wanted to get this information out to the public and show the impact that the Omicron variant of the COVID-19 virus is having, the major impact it's having on the region. Now, according to the Hamilton County Health Department and the Ohio Department of Health, 92% of all new cases statewide are the Omicron variant of COVID-19. Hamilton County Health Commissioner Greg Kesterman said the local numbers aren't yet available on Omicron, but he expects them to be about the same number as the state figures. Remember, the Omicron variant is doubling case numbers almost every 2 days compared to 7 to 10 days for the Delta variant. The current new case rate is 678 daily per 7 days over that 7-day average. That's nearing the peak levels reached last December. Hamilton County's positivity rate is now 16.3%, a measure of how many COVID tests are coming back positive. And there are currently 668 people hospitalized with COVID countywide, with 167 in intensive care and 127 on ventilators. I asked Commissioner Kesterman about the current state of the region's health system, and he says it's being pushed to the max yet again.
From my understanding, the majority of the hospitals in Southwest Ohio are at capacity, meaning they would prefer not take on additional patients. Some of the hospitals have shifted patients, meaning if there's an ambulance en route to one hospital, they're saying, no, you need to go to a different hospital because they're at that capacity limit. So those decisions are happening now. And I know the folks in leadership within our hospital systems are figuring out ways to continue to add capacity should we need additional space.
Now, Kesterman and Commissioner DeRiehaus both asked the public to start wearing masks in public, social distance, and consider downsizing or canceling New Year's Eve plans with these numbers on the rise, especially for those who are unvaccinated. Speaking of which, they stressed yet again, if you haven't been vaccinated or boosted, now's the time to help us flatten the curve, as they said. And they also both addressed testing in Hamilton County, a subject we're going to explore even further coming up on our newscast later this afternoon beginning at 4. Live in the Breaking News Center, James Pilcher, Local 12 News.